Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session we will see how we can select a ferrite core for our transformer design. It is a question from my viewer Asif Ahmed. He asked me, sir, please tell me some EE core for 14 volt 50 amperes. Open your calculator. He need 14 volt, multiply it 40 ampere. 40 volt 40 ampere. It is 560 watt. This is the maximum power which we need. Multiply it with 1.5. Multiply it 1.5. 840. We need a core for 840. This will include all the losses and some spare headroom for the power handling. This is the bidirectional magnet, bipolar magnet design. We have to remember this. Now go to google.com. I will give you a link. Magnetic Ferrite Core Catalog 2021 PDF. The first one, the first link here, open it. Open it. You will reach here at this PDF. This is from Magnetic Ferrite Core. Download it from here. Save. Yes, it is downloaded. This is here. Open in PDF. Magnetic Ferrite cores. It is giving all type of core data and other things. Now you will reach at, it is page number 67. For transformer design, first you have to know what you need. You have two methods. The one is power handling. The second is window area, core area method. WaAc method, that is calculated by this formula, and then you can also calculate by the fifth power handling, that is kg method. Kg method is also excellent. So power out, DCMA, KF, topology constant, Bmax and frequency. The frequency is very critical for a transformer design. When you will increase the frequency, the core size will decrease automatically. So here is topology factor. If you will use forward converter, half bridge, flyback, push-pull, full bridge, flyback, you will take exact window area, core area reading, and you can now go to window area, core area chart. If you will calculate by your calculator for power handling, you will reach here. This is the typical power handling chart at page number 68. Here we have power in watts, 20 kilohertz, 50 kilohertz, 100 kilohertz, 250 kilohertz. So these cores are for bipolar magnet. We need 840 watts. Let's go to 840. We will see in the left side at 20 kilohertz. If you are designing at 20 kilohertz, so you will select a core from 900 watt. That is for safe range. And if you will design at 20 kilohertz, for 20 kilohertz the core size is 45530. It is an EE core. We can check this one. Copy this number, paste it here. E562825. This is core size. 562825. This is for 20 kilohertz. If we want to design 800 watt at 50 kilohertz, at that time we need this core. We will select the core here, that is 46016. Select here, type it here, search. So it is 602216. This is the order code. Then if we want to design 840 watt at 100 kilohertz, at that time we will use this one, that is 44022. This is the magnetic number. So it is 432120. So we can see core size is automatically reducing. This time we reached here 432120. And if we want to design switching frequency 250 kilohertz, at 250 kilohertz EE core 44310. Similarly, If you calculate with window area core area method, at that time you will go to chart at page number 70. What is the result from the calculation? Window area core area centimeter fourth power. So you will come here. For example, our result will come around 1. In E core we can select from here. Above 1, 1 to 2, you will select here, and it is 44016. E core. Copy. This is E42219. This is the type and size E core 4221. You can check the data here. AE value, AE minimum, core volume, window area, core area. So it is 1.6. In this way you can select the core, and you will select the accessories. Here are the measurements. The dimensions, which type of measurement it is saying here. A is from this point to this point, B is here, C in this way, D. All the measurements you can verify in this page here. I will add the link of this book in the video description. You can download it. It will be useful for you. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.